Here's a Chapter 10 problem. It tests our ability to do flexible problem solving. The key here is to keep in mind that at the core of these problems there's going to be a mole-to-mole conversion. And the trick here is that you have to be able to generate the balanced chemical equation from the context. Here we are reacting liquid N2O4 and hydrazine. And in the question, we're told that the products are N2 and H2O. Now, in order to compare chemicals to each other, we must use a balanced chemical equation. So we need to balance this, which we can do by adding a coefficient of 2, 3, and 4. So now we have our balanced chemical equation. Now, where to start? Well, look at the measured number we're given with its units. So we want to compare the amount of N2O4 to the amount of N2H4 that we would need. So we need to convert the amount of N2O4 to moles. All right, so we'll start with the amount of N2O4. Since we want to convert this to moles, we want to convert the kilograms to grams first because we have our formula weights in grams per mole. So we recall that a kilogram is 1,000 grams. And now we can bring in the formula weight of N2O4. Okay, so thus far in our calculations, we see kilograms cancel, grams cancel, and therefore this portion of the calculation is moles of N2O4. Now we can incorporate our mole-to-mole ratio. So we see moles of N2O4 cancel out, and we use the coefficients from the balanced chemical equation. So the coefficient associated with N2H4 is 2, and the coefficient associated with N2O4 is therefore going to be 1. So now we know how many moles of N2H4, but we want to know the amount in kilograms. So we need to incorporate the formula weight and then convert grams to kilograms. Now before we churn through the math, we'll first check our units. Our moles of N2H4 cancel out. Grams with grams. Our surviving unit is kilograms, which is the unit we want. When we churn through the math, we get 3.48403 times 10 to the fourth kilograms, and we can only justify 3 sig figs, so it's 3.48 times 10 to the fourth kilograms.